Put my wrist on the night sky. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. We like haters. Fresh boy, pull up and we lay low. All the players get moving when the bass low. Got army right behind us when we say so. Let's go.
So finally, it arrived. These are my butter album. So, oh my god, kinikilig ako. Actually, disclaimer, medyo, baliw ako ngayon kasi not really, but medyo bangag ako kasi it's 10 a.m. and then nakipagpardagulan ako kanina, hanggang 3 a.m. ata, to 6 na ako nakatulog for like our enrollment. So, nakakaloka. So, medyo pagod na ako. Sorry. So, ayan. Actually, this is fast kasi hapon lang siya sinip. Tapos ngayon, dito na siya like, speed yarn? Okay. Ayun yung magpabukas, nakakaloka. Oh my god, I can already... Wala. Okay. Oh my gosh, nagusot yung poster. So, ito yung poster. I bought 2 sets. Actually, madami akong biniling set. From Weverse, I got 3 sets. From LuckyDraw, I got 3 sets also. Pero yung isang set, hindi pa dumadating. Like, nakakaloka. So, yun. So, yung poster, I didn't opt for the poster tube kasi alam kong mahirap i-ship yan. And nasa provincial area ako, so baka hindi siya dumating ng buhay. So, ayun. Pina-fold ko na lang. Tutangin ko naman. Hindi naman ako... ano ba? I'm losing for words. But, oh my god. Hindi ko alam kung ano unahin ako. Sige, mamaya na itong post. Naloloka na talaga ako. Okay, let's just zoom in. I'm gonna start with a POV. Lord, please, JK, umuwi ka. Please lang. Please lang. Huwag niyo pansinin yung stain ng table ko. Oh my god, moment of truth. Lord! Nakaban ako, sagad. wait lang. Sabay-sabay na natin buksan. Naloloka ako. Hinihilig ako, oh my god. Sabi na nga pa, I'll get the movie. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Legit ba to? Okay, got Jimin. Parang si JK, baka alam po kami. Yuki. Oh my god. So that's our pose. Oh my god, naloloka. Sabi na nga pa, uwi na ako, di ba? Okay, kadli. Okay. That's good. Okay, parang kinakabahan na ako kasi feeling ko di uuwi si Jungkook. And we have, wait lang. Let's go with albums. Wait lang, film strip muna. Mahal naman ako ni Yoongi. Hindi na ako natutuwa. Sabi na nga ba, hindi na mabubay si Jungkook. Laloko na ako. Pero I have nothing against other members, okay? Okay. Bakit ganun? Hindi ako inuwian. Naloloka ako. Babalik ako. Shucks! Okay, hindi ko alam kung anong umpisahan ko. Okay, later na siguro to. Let's start with peaches. Tama ba? Just a fun fact, ayoko talaga ng kulay na to, pero I have no choice. Naman eh, malaman ko yung bangtan, so I have no choice. So, paano naman to? Lord. Jungkook. Baka naman. Ay, wala pa pa. Antak ko, no? Dapat pala binubuksan to. Yoongi! Oh my gosh! I got Yoongi on Yoongi. Oh my god, okay. Tayo. Kinakabahan ako. Hindi ata mo medyo Jungkook. Oh my god, wait lang. Group! Okay. We have group. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we have Hobie. Okay. Got it. Jung! Ang hirap mo pa uwiin. Hindi na kaya ng kuko ko. Okay pa sila ng parang ng kineso, yung parang postcard thingy. Oo. Sa ting photo card. Taeyong, okay, we got Taeyong, okay. Actually, ito yung photo card na gusto ko kay Okay. Kung nanginginig ako, ang sama ng loob ko. Umuwi si Jungkook. Okay, last chance, JK. Puta, baka naman. Group. Sabi na kami. Okay. And then Jino. JK. So far, we don't have a JK. So, hopefully, sa next post natin, we have JK. Hala, saan to? Nakaloka. Ay, sumama. Tsaka na. So, we have group. And then, we have Chin. Hyungi. And then, another group. And then, Hobie. Tama. Okay. So far na. Wala, saan to galing? Alam niyo, sobrang lutang ko. Hindi ko na alam na nagtanggal pala ako na. Yeah, medyo bangag pa ako right now. Like, halata naman sa boses ko, di ba? So, ayun. Let's just open this. These are my albums. So, yeah. So yeah, medyo magulo siya. So this is my other set of butter album. And I got this uncut kasi sa feeling ko deserve ko kahit lagi naman. And the shop gave me freebies for the butter album. Like, magkakaiba yung pinagbilhan ko ng butter album. May 3 sets pa akong parating and on the way pa lang siya sa PH. And these are the posters. So, nag-iipon tayo ng poster. So, for the butter album, nakipag-pooling ako kasi alam ko hindi talaga uuwi si Jungkook. Like, yung tipong 6 sets na yung binili ko pero hindi pa rin siya uuwi. Ganon yung kalbaryo ko kaya. Dahil alam ko na kung anong laman yan, I'm just gonna open this one. Later ka na. This is the version O, so I'm just missing version V. Tama ba? This is actually my favorite version because it's prettier. Hindi naman pretty, pero ewan ko, mas bet ko yung flowers kaya so. Oh my gosh, I already have this photo card. Like, oh my god. He really came home, huh? Kakatawa naman, oh my gosh. Like, I already have this photo card. Nakakatawa. Wait lang, joke ko. First, oh my god. Kikilig ako, nakakaloka. Bakit ganun? Wait lang. Panik ako. Ito ka muna. Punta na tayo sa butter, sa POB. Muna tayo. 1, 2, 3. Medyo nagpakikinam. And then, POB. I already know my POB, so... Yes, this is my third hobby. Tay! Oh my god. Ano ba una? Peaches, diba? Peaches and cream. Si third, peaches and cream. Peaches! Kinanta ka. Yeah, unsealed na talaga siya. Pero sealed talaga siya binili ko. Nagpapuling lang ako. Kaya, basta. Alam ko na kung sino. Nakikita nyo yan? Nakikita nyo yan? Kita nyo yan? Kinikilig ako. Akala ko talaga hindi ko makukuha si Jungkook because I'm like pang 15 pa ako, tapos kunti lang yung pulse nila. Pero thank you Lord. So Namjoon, I think I already have this one. And nasa yung photo card. Huwag kayong ganyan, nanginginig ako. Uy, Goldie. Ay, kinabahan ako doon. Tumigil yung pagtibok ng puso ko doon ah. Alam niyo ba, we need to risk it all na ako para dito sa photo card na to, like, kaysa dun sa LuckyDraw. Like, yeah, hindi na ako feeling ko. Okay, last one. Ay mo, sobrang lutang ko na yung ko to. Oh my gosh. Yes, umuulan tayo ng Jungkook. So, oh my god. Hindi ko na-expect na dadating to, pero this is the POB that I traded. The POB that I traded. So, ayun. Galing pa tong Laguna and oh my god. Ang bilis niya, nakakaloka. Like, kakapadala niya lang kahapon. Tapos ngayon, like, andito na siya. Like, girl, speedy yarn. Cutie! Ay, sorry. Oh my God, sorry. Ala, ang cute. May pa-baby si ate. Ang cute na mga nakaka-trade ko eh. Ang babait nila. Cute. Thank you so much. Ang creative niya, like legit. Nakita niyo ba yan? Yes. Oh my gosh. Ate Nessie, thank you. Oh my gosh, this is the official album, diba? Like, yung sa dear. Yeah, love yourself, dear. Wow! I'm gonna keep this. Wow! Damn the effort. Oh my gosh. So Genie's home. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my god. Bumili ako ng kit na na dito cutter kasi why not? Hindi ko kaya. Palit tayo ng cutter kasi masyadong... These are the rest of my butter albums. So, ayun, tatanggalin ko muna sila. So, yeah, these are the rest of my butter albums. Diba? Pakadami ko ng butter. I believe this is the LuckyDraw, but I don't know what this is. So, yeah, I got this from Ate Angge. Syempre. I think we're gonna start with the albums. Ay, kinakabahan ako. Honestly, I don't know kung sino mapuput ko, and I don't really expect that much because I already got Jungkook. So, ayun. Wait lang, we're gonna start. Let's just unseal this first. Okay, oh my gosh, oh! This is my second group. Oh my gosh, okay, we have Seokjin and then a group. Ay, wait lang, papanik yarn. Another Jin. And then... Wait lang, oh my gosh! Wait lang! Grabe yung ginag-yarn. Wait lang. Panik ako. Ang ina. Wait lang, Marites. Kalma. We got Taeyong, Ki, and Jin. Grabe yung another group. Oh my gosh. Grabe yun. Okay. So that's what we got so far. Jin, Tae, and group. Okay. So next is the Peaches version. Chloe! Namjoon! Oh my gosh, okay. Namjoon. I got the JK. Oh my gosh. Hala, uwi ka din pala. Oh my gosh, natanaliw ako sa'yo. Wait. Jungkook, oh my gosh, kompleto ko na yung ano. Jin! Oh my gosh! So we got Jungkook, Jin, Namjoon, and then we got Taeyong group, and then another group. So we have J-Hope, Jungkook, tatlong Jin, and Suga. So kompleto ko na sila. Like, ito. Tapos, nanginginig ako. Like yarn. Let me fix it first. So we're gonna open this one. This is the LuckyDraw. And alam ko na yung post ko eh. Yung cute naman ng pagganito ni Ate Angge, bongga. Ate Angge, bakit ganyan yung kulay? Nakakaloka. What's this? Ay, oh, wait lang. Ang dami. Ate Angge, wait lang. Isa-isa lang. Ate Angge, wait. Ate Angge, ang dami. Ate Angge, parang tringer. Okay, wala na. Ano to? Okay, freebies. Wow. Cute. Thank you, ate. Tapos, another freebie. Grabe yung nag ko, yarn. Ang dami. Yan. Sana. Moment of truth. Ay, puta. Sorry. Namjoon. This is, anong halit yun? Powerstation. And then, oh my gosh. This is the, M2U or Soundwave. I don't know. Sorry. And then I have, ano ba ito? I forgot na putang ina, sorry. Yes. Di ko alam kung ano na yan, basta. This is the Powerstation again, I think, kasi yun na lang kulang. Yes! Oh my gosh! Ang daming photocard, nakakaloka. I'm so happy. So, ayun, dahil medyo pangag ko kanina, just to wrap things up, I will show you my pulls, like lahat ng pulls ko from those albums and from the LuckyDraw. So, ayun, para mas malinaw siya. And I already put them sa sleeves nila kasi, girl, ayoko nang mag-take ng risk. So, ayan. So, I start with Peaches. This is the group. And then we have Namjoon. Yes, Namjoon, and then Jungkook. I actually got two. Yes, I have dupes. And I don't know if I'm gonna let him go because this is actually my fave photo card out of all of his photo cards. So, we'll see. And then Seokjin. And then, wait, what's doon? Then we have Yoongi, of course. And then this is the cream version. Tama ba? Have Seokjin, another JK. Well, actually, this is not a dupe. And then I have 3 group photos. Group photo cards? Group photos? Basta yun. Yan. Masyado na akong mahal. Yung naka-group. And then we have Taeyong. Actually, itong tatlo yung pinaka gusto kong photo card na makuha in this version. And then these are the POVs. We have another Jin one. Yung likod niya ganito. Yeah, it's kinda laminated or sabi ko kasama na embalmed kaso pang patay yun. Ano siya, tag dito, parang nakaangat ganun. Basta ayan. Then Taeyong. And then 2 Hobie. And then I got Jimin and I got Yoongi. So, ayun, nakikita nyo ba yung common denominator ng mga pulls ko? It's actually, Jin, and then Yoongi, and then Jungkook. So, ayun. These are from M2U. Got Jimin. And then, this is the Soundwave, right? Yeah, this is the Soundwave. Soundwave pa din to. Like, yung yellow yung likod. I have Jungkook, of course. And then Yoongi. Yes. And then Namjoon. Yes. And then next is the M2U. Tama ba M2U? Yeah. So we have Jungkook, Yoongi, and then Seokjin. And then for Powerstation, itong Powerstation, likod niya is white, and then this one is like orange. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong full chord because like, can you see that? Very, lakas maka-love yourself, era, ganun. And I've got Yoongi, Jungkook, and then Namjoon. So, yeah. Compared to the previous lucky draw, wait, let me get it. I actually got a lucky draw for the Be Essential album of Jungkook, and I can just say na mas makapal yung ngayong lucky draw compared last time for me, and parang ano siya, kasing kapal ng credit card, ganun. I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or even on Facebook. I don't fight people, so let's be friends there. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Annyeong!